going down some pinks. Dad can't see. Oh, there's me, but can't see. I'm going to get my puppy, not my puppy. Look, it's puppy on camera. Comes running through the fence. And... not you. What? I've got on camera. Go on. Quick. The puppy. Look. This puppy. What? There's puppy. Look. You see my camera? There's the puppy. Ooh, you a naughty boy? Yeah. What? Let's go and see you. Look, he's coming. Come puppy. Hey, look, my floor. It's very pink. Look. There's the dog. And there's someone come upstairs. Oh, it's very dark up here. There's the dog. And Trouble can get fed. Here's the door. My God, it's a really worse door. And here he comes. You probably can't see him because it's dark. And oh, there he is. We're gonna feed you. Where is he? He knows where he's going. There's his papa food is. His food is Wag. It's called Wag. That's what it's called. Wag. Oh, and he wants his food. We have to do this. It's bad. It's well dark. It's not a very good friend, this is. Put you down. Go here. And here he is. Food for his dog. And he goes, puppy. There he is. He's munching away. I can't see. I can't see. Thanks.